Hey YouTube! So I ran into some problems with this chest piece. I don't know what went wrong, if it was the resin, if it was the primer, the paint, or the top coat, or whatever. Either way, the problem is that it's still tacky in places, and it's been sitting around for a couple of years now. I couldn't really find anything about how to fix that, aside from strip it and repaint it, which I'm not going to do. So what I did was I used a little bit of Mod Podge, it's a water-based sealer, and used it on the back, and it appears to stay on, and it appears to take the tackiness out. I tried other kind of clear coats, like just spray-on ones, but they had the same problem, so whatever the issue is, I needed to use water-based to prevent that from happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Mod Podge, coat the whole thing, and I'll show you how that looks. So I finished putting some coats of Mod Podge on this, and it appears to have worked. The stuff is no longer sticky, so that's a big plus. It changed the texture a bit. I might have to maybe go over it with some really light sandpaper. I think on the box, container, whatever you want to call it, it recommends that you use steel wool, so I might give that a try. But otherwise, I'm fairly happy that it turned out. So that's that. The stuff is supposed to take 4 weeks to actually cure, so maybe in 4 weeks I'll see what happens, but it seems to be pretty stuck on there, so disaster averted. Huzzah!